Breaking news, everybody, the Earth is dying. For the last couple of decades, we've just been trashing our Earth and have not really done anything to fix it. Although world leaders have said they've come to many agreements, not all those agreements have been fulfilled. In with us today, we have two environmental scientists who have been studying climate change and global warming for many decades now.
Thanks, Grant. Climate change is no joke and should be talked about a lot. One of the effects of climate change is greenhouse gases. Some are good and some are bad. Some greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitro oxide. Water vapor is caused by oceans and lakes. Carbon dioxide is from living organisms. Methane is from bacteria. And nitrous oxide is more bacteria. And now to my assistant.
Thank you, Grayden. Climate change has made major changes onto the Earth. With the Earth's average temperature rising by the year, it has catastrophically changed things on Earth. It has melted the polar ice caps, forcing the sea levels to rise. Unfortunately, with the sea levels rising, small island countries have been shrinking rapidly. With the average temperature rising this year, it has been the warmest summer we've ever had. Still, with it being the warmest summer, other scientists say it will be the coldest one for the next 15 years. Thanks to both of you for that. But now let's talk about what humans can do to fix what we messed up. Third world countries is where climate change is the most dangerous. Yes, it happens a lot in first world countries, but third world countries don't have the same technology like we do. Things people in first world countries can do to help people in third world countries is to cut back on burning fossil fuels. Burning fossil fuels is like cut back on flying, leaving the car at home and going on bike rides, cutting down on electricity and heating. All of those are major sources of greenhouse gas emissions. Now, I know we need to keep heating and electricity to live, but we need to stop using as much. In the summertime, we don't need to have the heat on. It is just burning unnecessary fossil fuels. Most people in government have very high voices. If they say something, they will be heard by many people, and that is why we need to get them more on board with climate change. They are doing some good things, like back in Paris when they made the Paris Agreement by lowering the average temperature on Earth from 2 degrees Celsius to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Thank you to those two scientists, and right after this quick commercial break, we'll talk to you about the sports from last night.
Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Tape. The Super